Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit a Google Slides presentation step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Google Slides presentation that you want to edit. Once it opens, you can click on any text box to start making changes. If you want to edit the title, simply click on it, delete the existing text if necessary, and type your new title. You can do the same for subtitles and any other text on the slide. To change the appearance of your text, highlight it and use the toolbar at the top to change the font size, text color, or apply bold, italic, or underline formatting. If you want to move a text box, click and drag it to a new position. You can also resize it by dragging the corners. To add more content, click the plus button to insert a new slide. If needed, click Layout to choose a different slide layout. You can also improve the design by clicking Theme and selecting a different presentation theme. To change the slide background, click Background, choose a color or upload an image, and apply the changes. If you want to add pictures, click Insert, then choose Image, and select an image from your computer or Google Drive. After inserting it, you can resize, crop, or move it anywhere on the slide. You can also insert shapes, lines, charts, tables, or text boxes to make your presentation more attractive. If objects overlap, click Arrange to align or reorder them for a cleaner layout. To make your presentation smoother, click Transition and apply a slide transition. Keep the effects simple for a professional look. When you've finished editing, click Slideshow in the top right corner to preview your presentation. The best part is that Google Slides automatically saves every change to your Google Drive, so you don't need to save your work manually. And that's it. Now you know how to edit a Google Slides presentation step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.